Welcome, please. Welcome. Remain seated.
Welcome. This is day 1. I just washed my face with, of course, my beautiful loving Cetaphil. And we are going to use the TruSkin for the first time, unboxing and everything. If you want to see just a full review of my thoughts about these products, definitely go ahead and click the card above, and there will be one below. Here it is. From the last time I did a skincare review serum, it was the Tree of Life 3-pack. Loved it. I definitely did learn to put the droplets in my hand and not straight on my face because of the bacteria, even if you cleaned it. So, has a very nice cooling effect. The smell isn't too bad. Definitely make sure I get under my eyes because that is my main focus point when I'm doing the vitamin C serums. A little glow just from putting some serum, something on my face after just dehydrating it with cleanser. I'm going to also put some on my neck. Okay, so this is how my face looks after day 1. I am really excited about this 7-day process. I definitely wanted to try the TruSkin before I made my final decision of which one I wanted to add a part of my entire routine. And I've given my face a break for the last 2 months after using the Tree of Life serums, simply so I didn't just jump from the Tree of Life serums straight into the TruSkin. I feel like it would have kept the glow from the previous. So stay tuned for that video if you want my comparison between the two. But right now we're going to focus on the TruSkin 7-day process. I'm going to follow up with a little bit of moisturizer. Here's the final look after day 1's application. I definitely see the hydration in my face. So far so good. It's only day 1, so let's give it a full 7 days. I'll be back with you all tomorrow. Stay tuned. Good morning, and welcome to day 2. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm actually dressed and ready to head out for my COVID test for a shoot that I'm doing this week. But before I left the building, I wanted to go ahead and do the morning application. How are you guys doing this morning? It is Tuesday right now. Have a very busy week, which I'm really excited about. It's just like, you feel me, gotta keep going. I see that little glow afterwards, which I do like. It's only day 2, so I'm not stressing what it should look like right now. And I'm going to follow it with a moisturizer. For my moisturizer, I typically use Aveeno. Very nice and simple and light. But with summer here, I just need a very simple light moisturizer with sunscreen. So yeah, here is day 2. I'll see y'all tonight, and then we could talk about some differences you might see tomorrow just because. Good morning, boss babes. It is the next day. I did not record last night's session, as I'm pretty sure you understand how this goes. So we're just gonna apply the same TruSkin serum and go through this process. If you see a difference, please let me know, because if you don't, me neither. But we're gonna keep pushing through with all hope and all faith. But drop in the comment section what you all are feeling about this process so far. I'm excited for you to see the before and after, so we're gonna go to the next day. Hey, what's up, babes? So it's about 7:30 at night. I'm gonna do this process early because I'm extremely tired and I did not want to miss tonight. My face is already clean. I just did Cetaphil 2 rounds because of the makeup I had on today. 4 squirts in my hand. Do you all see a difference? Like, I see the difference once I apply it on my face, but I'm not seeing the glow just yet. Tomorrow should show a little better. I always feel like by day 4, a new product on your skin should you should feel more moisturized. For this product, I will say your face is definitely sticky after application, and I'm wondering if they're trying to stick the glow on you or is it just natural glow. So let me go get my moisturizer and I'll be back. Again, I'm just using a very basic moisturizer, not too much. Alright, so that's it for day 3 p.m. I'll be back for day 4 tomorrow. It is 11 o'clock in the morning. We are at day 4 of the vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin E serum from TruSkin. I put about 5 drops in my hand. It does like give a very slow and steady. I'm putting on my moisturizer, by the way. But no really big change in 4 days, which is understandable. I'm not saying it needs to be changed in 4 days, but I've used products before that by day 4, my face looked brighter. My face looked like I was using a new product. So this one, as I'm doing this video, I'm just noticing the change after I put the product on, but not like hey, day 4, oh my god, my face looks different. I will give you all a 2-month update of using this product with consistency, just so you can really see what it does. I do see it says 6 to 8 months of consistency, and you will see a big difference in about 2 to 3 weeks. You know, there are more changes, brighter skin, softer skin, all of that stuff. But I did want to do a 7-day process just so you can see if there's any changes in 7 days. Don't worry, if you like this brand and you're like, I really wanted to try it, I know it's only 7 days, if you can wait, I will update you in 2 months to see what this product has done, if there was a big significant change or anything like that. I will be back to show you tonight's application, which will be tomorrow morning as I'm shooting a set today. Really excited about. We'll see you then. Later. Hey, what's up, babes? So it's about 6 in the morning. Yes, I am just getting back home. I thought the shoot would go until 1 to 3 a.m, but baby, it is 6 a.m. right now. So I've already cleaned my face. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the TruSkins Vitamin C Serum and just stay committed to this goal. Once I apply this and my moisturizer, your girl's taking a nap, okay? Like, I can't say too much about the movie, obviously, but it was great. Amazing day, you see the vibes. But after I do this process, I just do this on my face, I'm sorry. All right, so this is the end of the day for day 4. My face does look really good, especially with this little light that is out, or maybe it's the glow. What do you all think? Again, this is day 4 p.m. Even though it's in the morning, it is the next day. Hope that makes sense. Your girl's about to shut down. Oh, I gotta put some moisturizer on. Give me 1 second. I am so tired. I almost forgot my moisturizer. All good all day, but the night. All right, now I'm ready and set to go. Lee Poitier out. Hey, today is Sunday, day 7 of the TruSkins process. I'm really excited to take that picture tomorrow. I'm going to apply 1 right now and then 1 at nighttime, and then I'm going to do 1 more in the morning and squeeze that video in just so you all can see a full 7 plus 8 days of using this product. How does my face look now? It does have a little glow on it, so let's go ahead and put 5 drops in our hand. I didn't record every day and night because I figure you all know what this looks like already. Do it all night. Keep your face a little bit wet after you wash it. It just goes on a lot smoother, I feel, if your face is a little bit wet. I will say I do see a little bit lightening under my eyes. That's about it. And of course the glow that you see, a little bit too, because I'm hot. I just got out of the shower. Tomorrow morning I will come back and show 1 more application in real time, as I am posting the video Monday night, and that's when you'll see all of this. All right, so I'll talk to you all tomorrow morning in real time. Later. Hey babes, today is Monday, July 26th, the last day of this process that I am showing you all with the TruSkins Vitamin C, Hyaluronic Acid, and Vitamin E Serum. Now my face is freshly washed with Cetaphil, and you can already see a little glow still on my face. A little bit lighter under my eyes, not too drastic or anything, but I can see the little difference. When you see the before and after photos, you will see the difference over the 7-day process. But let's go ahead and apply the serum. On this last day, I will be applying it with my jade roller, so I'm really excited about that. Put a little bit more than I normally do just so that it has the full range. This always just massages my face and it just makes it feel so good. If you do not have a jade roller, I'm not gonna lie, you're missing out.
Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone and the present.
I feel like this just helps you not rub your eyes too harsh or anything like that. It just keeps it smooth, keeps it light, and it massages your skin, okay? I did not forget to bring my moisturizer over this time. I don't know why that's been a thing. I'm putting a little bit more than I normally do.
Worthy of a million more the storms that we weathered.
Okay. The glow is real definitely after you apply the products. Like I said before, the goal when using new cleansers, moisturizers, and serums is to bring life back to your skin, your face, the glow, lightening dark marks, all of those things. Okay, so the moment you all been waiting for, the before and after. You do see the difference, right? Like, now that I've compared it before and after, yes, I do see the difference, and the product is giving very much slow and steady. So I know within the next 2 months, I will see a difference in my skin and my overall glow. Thanks for following me on this journey. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Lee Poitier. This is Life with Lee, where I do hair reviews, skincare reviews, and processes like this. And then I throw in some fashion hauls and my beautiful baby Lee Talks. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And if you are, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. Turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on new product reviews and processes like this as well. I'll talk to you all in my next video. Until then, stay bossy, blessed, and beautiful. God bless you. Later.